Hey y'all, my name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet. Today I'm coming to you to show you some hairstyles on these distressed faux locks. Let's get right into it. I will have the link to my tutorial linked in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. It has all of the specs on these locks, okay? Let's get into these hairstyles. I'm showing you how to achieve the half up, half down bun, which I wore in like my last couple of videos. This is literally my go-to hairstyle. It's super cute. And the great thing about a lot of the hairstyles I'm going to show you is that you do not need a ponytail holder or anything like that to secure these hairstyles. Your girl's lazy. I usually don't be having a ponytail holder on deck, so a lot of these you're good. If you need to do something on the fly, on the rip, go ahead and try these out. I gotta show you how they look in the middle part. The middle part is popping, and again, that tutorial will be linked above, okay? I'm going to change up the parting space, change it up to see how it looks. We love a good side part, honey, okay? A good little flip over moment. I love to do a flat twist or a jumbo braid on any of my protective styles because it really makes those styles look more sophisticated, more elegant, whatever you may want to call it. So you're going to see me go ahead and twist up this. Alrighty, hairstyle number 5 is our go-to top knot bun. Once again, I don't use anything to secure this. I just kind of make sure I tuck in those ends really, really good. And you can't go wrong with the top knot, okay? I really do need y'all to admire the color on these locks, okay? Your girl snapped. This is something that I do to substitute for a ponytail holder, so I'll usually take a couple of locks in the back of my head and wrap them around and use that as my ponytail holder. I know, genius, right? Pat myself on the back. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do whenever I need like a ponytail holder or something. And it stays, you just have to make sure you actually tuck in the ends. I did not do that, but excuse me, okay?
And give myself a BAYANG. BAYANG.
Yes, y'all, I'm literally cutting up, but this is more like a swoop than it is a BAYANG. But you know, any opportunity to say BAYANG, I'm gonna take it. So that's what I did. And I actually did use a scrunchie for this hairstyle, but I definitely could have finessed it without it. So if you have been enjoying this video so far, remember to hit that like button. Also tap that subscribe button. You here, you might as well do it, okay? And let's get right into hairstyle number 9, which is a low ponytail. Once again, I'm using those locks in the very back of my head as a ponytail holder. Again, the innovation. We love to see it. So this is literally my go-to hairstyle when I'm going around the house and I literally just need to get these locks out of my face. I take them and I tie them in a knot. And I do it 2 or 3 times to make sure that they won't fall down and they won't be all up in my way, y'all. I got things to do. I do not need this 24-inch hair in my way. So that is what I'm showing you right now. Super cute. This also can work if you need to do house errands, you know, cleaning or whatever. You need to tie your hair back. Go ahead and get you a little silk scarf. This one's from Fenty. Hey, Fenty. And I just go ahead and make a headband out of that. This is the last hairstyle that I'm going to show you, and it was a fail. So basically what I was trying to do is do a high bun and have my scarf wrapped around it a little bit. You know, I was trying to give a vibe and I couldn't quite execute it the way I needed to. If I figure it out, I'll probably post it on my Instagram, on my hair page, at Jaila's Hair. So make sure you're following me there. Keep up with me. I give y'all all the hair details on there. So yeah, couldn't really execute what I was trying to do, but hey, A for effort. And maybe you'll figure it out from watching my mistakes and you'll be able to execute it perfectly. So that's why I'm including this in here, just so you can know that it don't always work out the way it needs to work out. Okay? Yeah. But that is all I have for y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. You can always keep up with me on my socials, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.